Hello everyone, today's topic is essay on our national festivals in English. Please do subscribe my channel. India has three national festivals. The three national festivals are Independence Day on 15th August, Republic Day on 26th August and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. These festivals are celebrated by everyone with just nationalism and patriotism in their hearts. The national festivals must be celebrated with the unity and harmony. These are our pride days. Independence Day on 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On 15th August 1947, our India got independence from the British rule. On this day, we remember the great struggle and sacrifices of our freedom fighters. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. Many cultural activities are arranged on this day. The national flag is hosted in schools, colleges, offices and everywhere. Citizens decorate the schools, colleges, offices, roads with tricolor balloons and decorative materials. This day gives the message of living in unity. Republic Day on 26th January. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. Republic Day is to mark the adoption of the Constitution on 26th January 1950. On this day, a big celebration takes place at Rajpath, New Delhi. The parade starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan to Rajpath. The President hosts the national flag and the national anthem was sung. Folk dances and colorful drills are also held. Schools, colleges and offices hosted the national flag. Various cultural programs are organized like speech, debate, dance and other activities. Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birth anniversary of Gandhiji. He was a great freedom fighter who played an important role in making India independent from British rule. He believed truth and non-violence as the principle of life. People pay tribute to Gandhiji on this occasion. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in schools and colleges to mark his teachings. Schools and colleges conduct many competitions on this day. Conclusion: we celebrate the national festivals to pay tribute to all the great Indian leaders and freedom fighters for their sacrifices for the nation. Government has declared holidays on our national festivals. All the citizens of India celebrate national festivals with great zeal and enthusiasm. Everyone respects our national festivals. Thanks for watching.